Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to um, another video ديال 10K Alpha Capital Challenge. Previous 2 days ما قدرتش انني نصور 2 و3. um, السيمانة اللي فاتت ساليناها break even. هاد السيمانة هادي بديناها ب a loss ديال 5%. We lost 5%. We actually kind of overtraded. um, it's a pattern شحال نمشي مزيانة صراحة. um, But yesterday كانوا بزاف ديال النيوز خرجوا CPI خرج interest rate um, and yeah حركوا مارشي and I took the opportunity. um, I took a lot of trades ولكن actually managed to finish the first phase. Okay, let me just show you guys. صار عندي شوية. Yeah, you can see. So yeah سالينا الويك break even. بديناها باللوس ديال 5%. And the next day we made 1,500 اللي سالينا بها the challenge. um, and I received the email ديال Alpha Capital. Congratulations, you have successfully passed the Alpha Pro assessment. You are now entering the final stage of the assessment stage. Final stage of the assessment stage. Okay. And yeah, this is the account ديال verification. 10K of course gets reset هداك الشي كامل. As you can see, it's not traded. And yeah, I think this is about it. We'll see if we manage to find the trade today, and if we manage to pass the account or not. Okay, so what is actually going on? Just like I predicted last time. Of course, after the break of swing structure daily, we expect a pullback. We had this pullback to the discounted zones. After that, we had a break of internal structure. Of course, as always, after the break of internal structure, swing structure, any structure you expect the pullback of the time frame هذيك. Okay. So we had an internal break of structure, we had an internal pullback to this demand zone, and here we had a reaction from this demand zone daily. من وصلنا للديبر we had a reaction from it, and yeah, so far so good. ده كان برايس كان يفولفل باقي يفولفل الاوبجيكتيف ديالو، سو كان اكسبكتيو انه برايس غادي يبريكي هاد الهاي هادي. اوكي. So yeah, this is about it for the daily. Nothing more I can do about it. So of course after the daily demand zone يوصل price, he actually had a reaction from this. We had a reaction from this. We had a change of character to the upside. Yeah, so we had a change of character هنايا في الزون, and we had a break of internal structure فهاد الهاي هادي. So as you can see هنايا we had a change of character, price weaker at the high هادي, at the fractal high, which means that it changed characters to the upside, and مرها رجع وميتيغا kind of ميتيغا demand zone, and then we had a break of internal structure. So after the break of internal structure, we of course expect a pullback. Price actually pull back at demand zone, and yeah, now we expect another price يكمل push ديالو to the upside. الحاجة اللي خصنا نبقاو رادين بالنا معاها سي كو swing structure ديال 4 hours it is actually bearish. swing structure is bearish. This is a last swing break structure هذا. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. So usually إذا ما كناش وصلنا في هاد significant low هادي ديال daily, غنكون نورمالمون كنexpect أنه برايس يطلع عند discount just like it did right now. يطلع عند discount باش أنه يميتيكي شي demand supply zone في هاد الجوية هادي البريميوم باردون, باش أنه يميتيكي شي demand zone هنايا باش أنه يكمل push ديالو في الداون. Okay. I think this is about it for 4 hours. 15 minutes إلا غادي تعطينا الخبر, to be honest. Let me actually guys show you usually thought process ديالي ملي كنكون غادي ناخد internal structure. So price after swing break structure to the downside هذه we had a pullback. Okay, so pullback creates لنا هاد الليجز هادول اللي هما صغارين inside. So our last leg كان low كانت هي هادي to the upside وهادي هي الهاي ديالنا. اوكي كانت هي internal structure، هادي هي الهاي وهادي هي اللو. موراها جات هاد break of internal structure. اوكي just هاد الليج هادي بريكات هاد structure هادي. Then we had this pullback and then كانت عندنا another break of internal structure هنايا. So كانت هادي هي الهاي ديالنا وهادي هي اللو. موراها برايس ميجا بريكا هاد الهاي هادي. So دابا رجعت هادي هي اللو وهادي هي الهاي. Of course break of internal structure بالبادي و break of swing structure بالبادي و fractal structure واخا تكوني بالويك. اوكي هنايا بريكاتنا internal structure بالبادي. So this counts as an internal break structure. So last internal break structure هي هادي و internal low هي هادي. اوكي so بصراحة it's just a price taking consolidate. I don't really see something clear, to be honest. Yeah, for now I'll just wait and see. If I manage to find a trade, I will let you guys know for sure. Okay, and yeah, this is about it for the analysis. We wait for I don't know if I see a good entry over here. I might take this trade to the downside. If not, I will just wait for price. I may break it in, I may break it to the downside. Okay. And yeah, this is about it. إذا price break لي internal structure to the downside ورجع, then the small confirmation, which is better. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated and see you guys later. Bye. Yo, hello everyone. I just took this setup to the upside. My entry was late صراحة. But yeah, I think price is still gonna push to the upside. So yeah, we will check. Did I just sell? Oh no, I made a mistake. I sold instead of. I sold instead of bots. In the price retracer, I'll enter again. So if price retraces then that area دي شي reaction هيدا سيتو, then I will enter again. Because we had a liquidation from the downside. Yeah, مرة سعودية هو طلع لي كده, so now expect another price to push it to the downside. It hasn't broken the swing structure to the upside, so we are still actually bearish. Because هاد الباترن كيعملو بزاف. اوكي كاين مرات هو غادي يمشي في شي direction. اوكي then so there's a lot of stop losses above this high right over here. So it comes back, it takes ديك الهايز هادو كاملين بهم ديك الكويديتي هاديك وعاد كيبوشي في ديك الدايركشن اللي فايكا فيها في الاول. اوكي so yeah, I will keep that in mind صراحة, and I might take a trade to the downside. Okay, we'll see. If this trade has a reaction this could be really just a little bit of bearish momentum, I might take a sell. Okay, خسرنا $44, which is stupid. Guys, we just took a trade to the downside. Yeah, and yeah, we'll see whatever it does. Yeah, if we take a win or a loss, and yeah, I'll see you guys later then. Bye. You guys, yeah, we took the loss. كنت باغي نزيدلو في الاسل نعدل 1.5 نعمل $150, but yeah, because it's still price يقدر يطلع لنا هنايا ويكمل في الداون, no, I don't really see that happening. Yeah, كان خصو برايس يبوشي من هنايا directly باش انني نكون شور بان برايس هادي يعاود. So far price still looks like buy, push it to the upside, and yeah, we'll see. So yeah guys, I actually entered another position to the downside. I have break even, of course. إذا جينا نبيسيو على structure ديال الماركت, yeah بقدر البرايس يجي هنايا ويكمل بوش ديالو في الاب. at the same time نجي نشوفو هنايا برايس بريكا structure هنايا في هاد الليج هادي. so هادي كاملة كتحسب as a leg. okay, so after the break of structure you can expect a pullback, so at least pullback هاد ال areas around here. so yeah, so من برايس يوصل لهاد ال areas إذا وصل لهاد ال areas then أنا رد بالي معها. then we'll see. Yeah guys, so I'm actually gonna put the stop loss on 1.4 1.5 ديك الشي اللي خسرنا اليوم. so yeah, if we don't manage to actually hit the TP at least ندي واحد 1.5 ونرجعو الاكونت break even. okay, so yeah, this is about it. خليو الدري إذا تخدم خدمته. okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Guys, so I'm just gonna trail the stop loss. Most likely the HCH price. Yeah, but ما بغيتش lose profits. so yeah, إذا كان بقى عنده شي جهد يبوشي في الداون مزيان. سينو yeah غنسالو النهار ب 1.5 ديال profits and yeah, this is about it. so yeah, trader hit لنا 3R. okay, as you can see شنو اسمه I actually put the stop loss في 3R يعني خرجت هنايا. the only reason is because first of all this is a good demand zone, this is a good low, this is a protected low حيتاش بريكات structure to the upside. also قبل ما تكريات الهاي هادي we had a liquidation of this zone, so price liquida and also the push it down. so there's a lot of stop losses that were put above this and then yeah, so هادوك يكونوا the strongest demand zones ملي كيكون price actually ملي كيكون price break structure. ولكن قبل منه ملي كيكون كان شي inducement شي liquidation كتكون demand zone very strong. so yeah, I might be taking a trade to the upside right now. Yep, so guys I actually entered I entered a little bit too late because I wasn't looking and yeah, دابا we will leave it ونشوفو شنو غادي تعمل التريد هادي. okay. I actually can see بأن price من ال inducement and also push it down and then we had this candle, bullish candle to the upside. we will see واش غادي continue ولا لا. okay, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated باش ما كان. and yeah, so guys we took the loss. Now we are at $48 profit. Still think price is going to push to the upside, but I'm not sure yet. Then probably need to wait for this 1 hour candle and and then we'll see. If I manage to find a trade again, I will let you guys know. Okay. So guys, yeah, we took another trade to the downside. I think price is still going to push down. yeah, price مرة سعودي push it down. هادو هاديك الباترن اللي كنت غنقولكم دابا عاد مرة سعودي push it down طلع take a liquidity أو عاد starts pushing to that direction. okay, and yeah, we'll see what price does. You actually need 450, which price وصلت للنهاية I don't know, it's really hard صراحة. But yeah, we will see. So we just got stopped out, guys. Swine should do صراحة, but yeah, I don't mind losing, you know. الحاجة اللي ما نبغيش هي أنني shoot trader and then it goes in my direction. Yeah, that would be something I don't want to happen. Okay. I think I took this trade, but I think I took it a little bit too early. We might get stopped out. Yeah, I think because of the momentum, I thought price was still going to push. The momentum was going to push higher. Yeah, price needs to go deeper. Aula, this was just a change of character 15 minutes, and the price is going to continue to push to the downside. That is also another possibility. So yeah, we just got stopped out. And yeah, that is what it is. Yep, hello guys. I actually managed to take this trade. I was a little bit busy, so I couldn't actually show everything. But yeah, I took this trade, and we'll see if this is gonna hit our TP. Either hits at net TP, of course, it's gonna be the verification done, and yeah. So I'll leave you guys to it, and we'll see if this hits TP or not. Okay. So guys, yeah, that was the last trade. We managed to pass the second phase as well, and yeah, this is about it. Now we pass to the funding stage, and yeah, we'll see if we manage to get a payout or not. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next phase.